First of all, I want to introduce myself. So, good morning. My name is Tamanna Arya. I am from Rajgarh, district Sirmaur, Himachal Pradesh. As per my academic qualifications, at present I am pursuing bachelor degree in hotel management from Chef, College of Hospitality Management, Solan. Before this, I have done my matriculation and intermediate from SP Board of School Education, Dharamshala. And recently, I have completed my industry training from Trident Udaipur.
I also want to say something about Oberoi's because Trident Udaipur is a property of Oberoi's. The late Mr. Rai Bahadur Mohan Singh Oberoi is the founder of Oberoi's Group of the Hotel. He founded Oberoi's in 1934. Mr. Prithviraj Singh Oberoi is the executive chairman and Mr. Vikram Singh Oberoi is the CEO of Oberoi's Group of the Hotel. At present, the company operates 31 luxury hotels and 2 river cruise ships in 6 countries, primarily under its About Hotels and Resorts and Trident brands. I want to share my experience of industrial training at Trident Udaipur. Trident Hotel in Udaipur experienced the 5-star splendor of Rajasthan in Udaipur. India nicknamed the city of lakes for its picturesque lakes framed by the Aravalli range. The history of Udaipur is a rich and charming tapestry of lakeside palaces, forts, temples and gardens which reflect the varied influence of centuries past. The capital of the Kingdom of Mewar, the city was founded in 1553 by Maharana Uday Singh. From its magnificent palaces to its vibrant bazaar, the city is probably the best example of romantic and alluring Rajasthan and its finest. Built over 43 acres on the banks of Lake Pichola, Trident Udaipur is ranked amongst the best hotels near the lake. It is a comfortable 27 kilometers from the airport and is perfectly located to explore the famed sites of the city, such as the City Palace, the Crystal Gallery, the Monsoon Palace, or the beautiful Jag Mandir. I had joined my training on 25th December 2019. I reported in HR office at 9 am and submitted some documents and fitness certificate. After that, he allotted the department that was F&B production. On 26th December, I reported in kitchen department and executive chef gave me Garde Manger section. I started my training from the Garde Manger section. On first day, I was feeling very nervous because there was everything new for me. So at first, I met with Ragini chef and she is a chef of Tandoor section. She is very nice. She motivated me for my training. My first day was my induction of kitchen department. After that, I reported in Cold Kitchen chef Mr. Udalal. He is a head of Garde Manger section. He taught me many things and rules of the section. After that, authority changed my department because I have completed the previous department and my second department was housekeeping department. Housekeeping is responsible for cleaning, hygiene, maintenance, sanitation and upkeep of the hotel. I reported in the morning 8 in housekeeping department and they gave me laundry section. I learned many things in laundry section like pressing and folding of linens, operations of machines, of dry cleaning, etc. The staff of department was impressed by my work. After some time, I went on floor section and I have to work with our seniors and have to make the room for the guest. I learned many things on floor like how to set minibar and also learned to make the whole room and chemicals. After some time again my department changed and gave me F&B department and me was very happy on that day because F&B is my area of interest. I reported at 6:45 in F&B department and they gave me restaurant section of buffet. The Aravalli is a name of restaurant and Aravalli restaurant serves authentic dishes from the Kingdom of Mewar. That is a multi-cuisine restaurant at which food is placed on long table and people serve themselves is called buffet. Every section of kitchens makes the different tasty dishes and then placed on buffet. There are total 16 dishes. 8 are hot dishes and 8 are cold dishes. 6 desserts from bakery and many juices served and other items like panna chokla, soft bread, hard bread, soft bread with multiple grains, baguette and 6 salad from Gajar Majid section. After 3 days menu would be changed. And now short description of entire hotel. Trident Udaipur, surrounded by landscape gardens. Trident Udaipur is located on the banks of the Pichola Lake and spread over 43 acres. This is a main porch of the hotel and also first look of the Trident Udaipur. It is the entry point of the hotel and directly goes to the upper lobby or reception. Upper lobby, this is a reception area of the hotel where reservations and registrations done by the front office staff. Sitting capacity of upper lobby are 8 persons. We can see the view of swimming pool from the lower lobby. 25 persons can sit at once in lower lobby. Amrit Mahal, after lobby we enters in the bar. All drinks like cocktails and mocktails made in the Amrit Mahal. The sitting capacity of the bar are 16 persons at once. This is a business center of the hotel. It has of internet facilities like photostats, printouts and business related works. 2 persons can work on there at once. Spa. The timing of spa is 9 am to 9 pm. Guests can take all the facilities of spa on there. Patio. This is a way which goes to the restaurant. 10 persons can sit at once in patio. Aravali is the name of restaurant. The sitting capacity of Aravali are 54 persons. It is a multi-cuisine restaurant. Aravali Terrace. This is a part of restaurant which is on the terrace of the hotel where all parties, functions held in the night. 30 persons can sit on there at once. This is a way goes to the swimming pool and kids club. Swimming pool. The depth of swimming pool is 2 meter and the timing of the swimming pool is 7 am to 7 pm. Kids club. The timing of kids club is 9 am to 5 pm. It is for children where many games are available for the entertainment of the children like football, cricket, carom board, badminton, etc. and toys are also available. Fitness center. It is all available for 24/7. Review of Rajputana shop. This is the review of the hotel apart from rooms. Let's towards the rooms. The hotel's 137 rooms and 4 suites. Room size 225 square feet. Washroom size 46 square feet. Suite room size 540 square feet and suite room washroom size 80 square feet. Wow! Now, types of rooms which are used in hotel. Double room. This is a double room. It has a king size bed with lots of facilities. Twin room. This is a twin room with 2 single bed and fully comfort. Its prices are 10,000 rupees. Hollywood twin room. This is a Hollywood twin room which has a 2 single bed with common headboard. Suite room. This is a luxury room of the hotel which is suite room. It has 2 rooms. The first one is sitting room and second one is living room. Now front office department. I can't do my training in front office department because of COVID-19. That's all about my industrial training. Thanks for watching. I hope you will be like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.